Have you ever brushed your teeth regularly, but still felt like your breath wasn't completely fresh? You're not alone. Many people experience this even with good oral care habits. One reason could be the balance of bacteria inside your mouth. Your mouth contains both good and harmful bacteria, and when that balance is disturbed, oral problems may appear. A healthy oral microbiome helps maintain fresher breath, stronger gums, and better overall oral health. That's why more people are now looking for ways to support oral balance naturally. One product gaining attention in this area is ProvaDent. It's a supplement designed to support oral health from within. ProvaDent contains ingredients commonly used in oral health products. These include xylitol, cranberry extract, and probiotic strains that help support a balanced oral environment. When combined with good oral hygiene habits, products like ProvaDent may help support fresh breath, healthier gums, and a cleaner mouthfeel. Of course, supplements should never replace brushing, flossing, and regular dental checkups. They are simply meant to support your overall oral care routine. If you're researching ways to support oral balance and fresh breath, learning more about ProvaDent could be worth exploring. Always review ingredients carefully and consult a professional when needed. If you're researching ways to support fresh breath and a balanced oral environment, learning more about ProvaDent might be worth exploring. For more details and full information, you can check the link in the description below.